Hello everybody. I'm going to try to build a little turtle trap. And I get a pretty good sized turtle about every year, and they're a pain in the butt to get out. So I'm going to try to do this. I don't think that turtle's going to care if this thing gets heat up or not. I might have to put some reinforcement on it before it's over. That's kind of what I'm thinking. Get that cut out, and then this thing just drop down. You can come up on it, drop in. You can't come back up. I got this piece. When you use that for my hinge, I got this. I'm gonna go put this together, and I still got one more here to do. So, trying to show you what I did. Hope it works. I don't know if it worked yet. Let's find out here. Might not. Turtle might not go in anyway. Huh, that didn't work out very well either. Show you what I got planned. Let's build the other one, but I just screwed this piece to that conduit, and I'm gonna put it under just like that. I'm gonna hinge it right there. So that's my plan. So if this don't work, I do have another plan. If I can't make this hinge very good, I got some all thread up there. It's real long, 3 foot long, so cut run through this pipe. That would make an easy hinge really quick. Okay. It would have worked perfect. I never put all them screws in there. Alright, I went through like 16 different plans here on this. And I got another plan. Hopefully it'll work. No guarantees, but well, the brand new bit. That's pretty sad. Okay. And bring a lever down, hook this spring, and turtle falls in, pulls this back, pulls the spring, and the spring is shut. And I just gotta have it. I gotta do that twice though. And I think, I don't know if I could do both of them with one spring or not. I don't know if I might do it. Maybe. Doubt it. So, alright, that's it. I'm heading in. Got the phone call to eat. How much a turtle weighs? Man, it's raining. I think that actually worked pretty good. I don't take a whole lot. So it worked on the other side, so hopefully it does good on this side. But we're about to find out. You know, looks like the rain is about to quit. Got this old mud flap. I'm thinking about taking this, cutting it down the middle and putting it on each side here to hide some of this, plus to give the turtle a ramp from wherever to get in. I hate cutting these things. There's no good way to cut them, I found. Yeah, my hand will be hurting before this is over. I don't know if you guys got a better way or not. Smell that rubber though. Looks like the sun's getting ready to come out. You know, I got a bench over there, but it's so full. You know, if this thing works, I might do something different here. But hopefully no more when I use it. These straps will be fine for a while. Hope it works. Yeah, I'm going to just strap that on there and see. You know, I say this is temporary, but if it works, I'll probably never change it till it breaks. I think my thoughts is I've got this far with it. Let's see if it works for a few more time in it. This mat here probably won't make it very long outside anyway, but it is a, I don't know what it is. It's like a rubber, but it's a. Alright, I'm gonna put a little paint on that and let that set. And I'm gonna see how much weight it takes to shut that thing. No. Okay, got the throw traps all painted up and I think it's ready to go. Not sure how much these things weigh. So, I don't know. I think it'll work. So, check out the turtle. He's coming. Catch. It works.
Live turtle trap.
All right, thanks for watching. Turtle cage, we think it's gonna work. Good. So we got our first turtle.
Like, subscribe, leave us a comment.
And hope to see you on the next one.